Automate your top FAQs. Start simple, save time. Still answering the same customer questions over and over? Today, I'll show you how to automate your top FAQs using AI, without sounding robotic and without hiring extra help. First, make a simple list of your top 5 customer questions and your current answers. Keep it short and to the point, just enough to capture the question and your usual reply. This is your starting point, whether you post it on your site or use it to train a chatbot. Next, take that list and paste it into ChatGPT with a clear instruction, something like, turn these into friendly, professional responses for my customers. As it works, watch how it transforms your rough notes into polished answers that sound consistent, warm, and easy to read. This step takes seconds, but saves you hours later. Once your answers are ready, you've got 2 paths. Post them in a visible FAQ section on your website, or use a chatbot to automate those conversations. If you're curious about bots, here are 3 small business-friendly options. 1. HubSpot Chatbot, free, beginner-friendly with simple setup. 2. Tidio, $19 a month, good for service businesses using multiple channels. 3. Social Intents, $49 a month, integrates with Slack, Teams, or Google Chat for AI-trained responses. Not sure if you need a chatbot yet? Here's a quick check. Lots of repeat questions? A chatbot can save you hours. Occasional inquiries? A simple FAQ page might be all you need. Start with clear answers on your site. Then, when you're ready, automation tools are there to help you scale. Want a simple guide to get started? This week's newsletter breaks down these steps and chatbot tools in more detail. Subscribe for practical AI tips that save you time without losing your personal touch. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.